What's up? So we learned the stair shuffle. Now we're gonna learn it backwards. Like this is not really a stair shuffle, but first you have to learn the walking man upstairs, how to shuffle, and the reverse this one. Yeah. Okay, let's go. So I know this one is gonna be a little confusing. Okay, so it's just imagine that there's like 3 dots here. You never jump halfway. You always jump from number 1 to number 2. You never go halfway, unlike the walking man. So like this, see where I bring my foot like that? Yeah, then I'm gonna fall back. I don't fall back in the middle, ever. So forget the middle point, you're never gonna jump on it. All right. The main challenge for this one is to first to not fall and to try to not jump halfway. You're going to most likely always jump in the middle at first. It's okay, but just try to take the habit of doing like one full jump. It's really not that easy. You're gonna be afraid of like falling or hitting the wall behind you. So just go slowly and hold on to the rail. So the blue shoe here, you're gonna put it on the stair below, not this stair. Okay, but that's how you actually go down one stair. So the green never jumps down. You're gonna die if you do that. Like here you see, now we're gonna bring it down. Boom. Instead of falling back on that same stairs, we go down. And up, we jump. Fall back, jump. Fall back, jump. Come on, jump. Oh, never mind. Up. 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 Okay. Jump. Down. Jump. Down. Jump. Down. Jump. Down. Jump. Down. See? It's actually really hard to do in like normal stairs just because you're so afraid of hitting the wall, but let's just do it like that so you see. Pull up, 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 up. Yep. That's it.